Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be cleaning and showing you my Halloween / fall decor, so stay tuned for the end of the video to see how everything turns out. So before I actually started cleaning, I did wait on my Instacart order to arrive. I just needed a little bit of motivation, and iced coffee does that for me, so here I am preparing my iced coffee. One of the very first things that I like to do when cleaning is just picking up every miscellaneous item that there is out. That way I can prepare myself to start cleaning the bigger items. One tip or trick that I like to use when cleaning is starting above ground and working my way down. Now this might sound obvious and a lot of you might already do this. However, if you don't, this does make cleaning a lot less tedious. You're able to just wipe down a surface of any excess dirt or crumbs, and when you get ready to clean the floor, you can just vacuum or sweep it up. I recently started using a small vacuum to clean up my couch. This is something that I've never done before. I used to always use rags and kind of wipe off any dirt or crumbs. So shout out to my mom for getting me a tiny vacuum to make this a lot more easier, not only for the couches, but for the hardwood floor. One thing that I can never get away from is dusting my entertainment set. We do have 2 dogs and a cat, so dust does accumulate a lot faster, and their hair tends to get in between every crack and crevice, so I have to make sure to go through and clean and wipe everything down. One thing that I've been wanting to do since we moved in is set up this speaker. We did get it from Best Buy, and I just hadn't had time to get to it, so I was pretty excited that I was able to set this up today. Last, I was finally able to get to the floor. Here I am just Swiffering up everything. I don't really like to use a mop. I do find that the Swiffer is very easy and convenient to use. Finally, I was able to get to my favorite part of cleaning, which is resetting up the home decor. Now, a lot of this I already had out, but I decided to move it around. I just started my collection last year, so I don't have much, and I have to make sure that I space everything out to make it look like a lot more than what it is. One thing that I've noticed about this house is that if I don't get every corner or even in the window panes, spider webs will accumulate pretty fast. So that's what I'm doing here, is just going through and make sure that I'm cleaning every little crack. able to reach a stopping point in cleaning my living room, I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of the decor that I have and what it was looking like after I cleaned it. My living room is not huge, but it's something that I'm very proud of, especially with seeing all the decor that I've already gotten within the last year. It just makes me super excited to see what the future holds. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know if this is something that you enjoy watching. I would love to make more videos with home decor and cleaning.